class I have discussed about the subtraction of 2-digit numbers. In this class I am going to discuss about the 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Here I have taken the 3-digit numbers. One had subtract 137 from 253. So first we have to arrange the numbers in column. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in column. As here 3-digit numbers, so we have to start from 100, 253 minus 137. As I told you so many times that in the subtraction the bigger number will be on the top and the smaller number in the bottom. Here the same problem is here. The 3 is the smaller than the 7, so we have to regroup the numbers. So what to do? This will, the 3 will take 10 ones. 3 will take 110. That is 10 ones from 5, that is from the tens column. So what will happen? It will change to 2. The 5 will convert 4 and it is 13. So we can write here subtract the ones, as here are not enough ones to subtract 7. That's why we do here, that is we will regroup whatever I did here. Okay, that I just write in here. As here not enough ones are here to subtract the 7 1. That's why we have to regroup the numbers. I have already regrouped it. I am just writing here. Regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. So after regroup, we can write what will happen here in the tens place. After regroup, pin 4 tens are left. Okay, here I also show you in the tens place. Here 100 to 200 is there. Then the tens place 1 2 3 4 5. So this and will move to ones place. After moving, what will happen? Only 4 is left. Only 4 is left. So in ones place we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's it. Tens are left. Then we will write. Then we subtract the ones. 13 ones minus 7 tens equal to 6 7 ones equal to 6 ones. As we have in the ones place, after transferring 110 from the 10th column, now in the ones column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 ones are there. So we have to minus 13 ones from 7. So if we take 7 from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. How many are left? Only 6 ones. So here only 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column. Hope you all understood. Here write 6. Now in step 2, subtract the tens. We will again write here in the column form. This 2 2 5 3 and 1 3 7. These two like this, 4 13. Okay. Then in the tens club, 4 tens are there, and in the ones we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to subtract only the tens. So we here the 4 tens minus 3 tens equal to 1 10. Write 1 in the tens column. So here minus 3, so we take 3 1 2 3. Only 1 is left. So here we will write 6 1. Then in step 3, subtract the hundreds. 100 tens 1 2 4 13 1 3 7. Okay. Now we will subtract the numbers in the 100 place. So we have to write 200 minus 100. Answer will 100. Write 1 in the 100 column. So here can take 100, so only 100 is left. So here we will write 1. Hence, hence 253 minus 137 equal to 106. This is the answer. Now I am going to show you one example also related this. We take any 3-digit number, three 8 0, then 1 2 6. The same, just transfer 110 on the ones column, so we get here it will transfer, then 3 7 10 1 2 6. Then you subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, and here it is 5 and 2. So 380 minus 186, the answer will be 254. Hence 380 minus 126 is equal to 254. So whenever you subtract the numbers in with regroup, then you have to regroup the numbers like this. If the open top portion, the top number is in the ones place, it will be in the smaller, then you have to regroup the number. Then after that you just subtract the numbers like this. Hope all of you understand the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. If you have any problem, you will ask me. Okay, for today I just finished my class. Thank you.